Right. For goodness sake.
Not the Willy, not the Willy. No.
Just tore it off.
Your dick came off. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a video with Alex, and we've got Moon in the middle, and we're going to be filming the annual gift giving Christmas video. It's the one you've all been waiting for. It's the one I've been waiting for. This is one of my favourite videos to film every year, and it's finally time to do it again. This is our third one. This year I've got seriously novelty gifts. Like, they are as jokey as they come and really quite rude. I think they're a little bit rude, so just thought I'd warn you. I don't know, are yours rude or yours not rude?
One of them.
One of them's rude, but yeah, they're just like really jokey
pretzels.
They're just really jokey presents because I thought that'd be funny.
That one.
Yeah.
Because you'll like it.
Because I like it. I mean, that's always good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I see Fortnite. Do you know what? I just knew that you would get something for Fortnite. I just knew it. Is this a keyring?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little. I thought it was just a little stand-up figure, but it's a key. I swear you get me a keyring in every single one of these videos.
I think I did the last one, yeah.
Yay! Now I've got a Doctor Who keyring and a Fortnite keyring. That sums me up perfectly.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't even know if you can see him from here, but he's very cute. Thanks, Alex. I just knew that you'd get something Fortnite because that's kind of been like my thing of the year. I'm gonna start with a non-rude one.
Okay, ease them into it.
Yeah, it's just you. Like, when you read it, you'll be like, yeah, that's just me.
Not listening box. Fines for not listening, pretending to listen and guessing correctly.
20p. And that rarely happens.
Very, very rarely.
The next one is just you. The next one is just you.
Pretending to listen and guessing incorrectly.
50p. The amount of times I'm talking to him and then I'll be like, you're not listening, are you? And he'll be like, yeah, I am. And I'll be like, what did I just say? And then he'll guess and I'll be like...
I've got to go back to the last thing that I did listen to and then just try and sculpt some very vague answer.
There's going to be a lot of 50p's in there because you always guess incorrectly.
Not even pretending to listen.
You don't do that.
No.
Well,
every now and again.
Every now and again there might be some £1.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just thought that was you. I saw it and I was like, that is Alex. So now you've got a not listening pot and I've still got the swear pot that you got me a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a collection of pots.
So I think I'm gonna make quite a bit of money there actually with your next present.
Why? This one's a little floppy guy.
Right.
Magnetic words. Fridge ones.
Yeah. Look, you're a bit of a potty mouth when you think no one's listening. Just some like really unpleasant words.
I can't even show this. I'll get demonetized. Magnetic rudy words. Is this your rude present?
Yeah.
They're actually really quite rude. No, but this is just me. I love magnetic words and letters. Alex's parents have them at his house. I love playing with them and making words. I don't think I'll take these though.
It currently says Sophie loves Greg at the moment.
Sophie loves Greg?
Or Gary or something.
Gary?
Something
Guys,
beginning with G.
who did that? But yeah, I don't think I'll add these to their collection. Should I just take them over later and put them on? See if anyone notices. Just like...
You're trying to find one that you can save
I can't
get you demonetized, aren't you?
They're really rude. Like, but then there's random ones like bread. I love this though. I mean, hopefully you can't read them, but there's just a load of little words. They're multicoloured. These are going on the fridge. It's going to be a very rude fridge, but I'm happy. You have absolutely no use for this, but I just saw it and I was like, that's kind of funny.
Okay.
I don't expect you to use it. I mean, I don't even know how you would.
For goodness sake.
For goodness sake. Oh, is that a bit uncouth for Alex?
Most uncouth.
It's a Willy Exerciser.
Yeah.
To exercise one's willy. Am I even allowed to show this bum? I don't even know.
No idea.
Am I allowed to show cartoon willies? I don't know anymore.
Well, there might be worms.
YouTube is a sensitive
going by
place.
them. You know, you never know.
Yeah, they're worms. I just thought the worms looked really funny on the picture. And it says like, Willy workout, get great pecs on your pecker. I don't know. I just thought it was really funny.
Yeah.
Please get it out.
What?
Not the Willy, not the Willy. Get the Willy Exerciser out. I can't even talk. I just want to see how big it is. The Willy Exerciser, not the Will. Tell you what, it's a bit of a weighty one. So I guess this would be you using it.
What are you trying to say?
I just thought it was funny. Absolutely pointless and useless because you can't really use that. I mean, how could... Even if you put it on there, it's not going to... Yeah, right. How is that even going to work? You got to make it go up and down, can you? Are you thankful for that?
Yeah, so thankful. This
Yeah.
We talked about a little while ago about how we both used to have one.
Oh my god, I remember talking about these now. You can have one and we can play with them together. Okay, so these are Magic Twisty worms. Did anyone else have these when they were younger? They're like little fluffy worms and they go on an invisible bit of string and then you like wind them around things and pull it and it looks like it's moving on its own. Ooh, well done you.
Let's have a look then.
I knew it wouldn't have been that long ago for you to have remembered something I talked about.
No, I know.
Wow, you actually listened.
It was this morning.
What? It's the sort of thing I'd always get in a gift shop.
Have you unwound it already?
Oh no, his eye's coming off. His eye's caught on my finger.
I won't lie, I didn't pay very much for them.
I don't think they are much. They were really cheap in the gift shops. Or they're probably overpriced in there, weren't they?
Yeah.
Such an adult thing to say.
Overpriced in the gift shop. My adult mortgage. Overpriced in the gift shop.
And then here I am playing with a magic worm. The one that I always used to get when I was younger was a purple one. Did you know?
I didn't know that. No.
The one I always used to get was purple because purple was my favourite colour. This is because it's just... Yeah.
Just you.
No, they're all just you.
It's just you.
Well, the Willy Exerciser wasn't just you. But this one's not just you. It's sort of like just me.
So you bought it for yourself?
No, I don't want it. But when you read it, you'll be like, that is just you.
Yeah.
All right. That's a bit of a letdown. Yeah.
I mean, it's a coaster.
Because, you know, sometimes if you don't put your glass on a coaster, I'll be like, coaster. So it says place cup here.
You just stare at it with a slight frown.
Yeah, that's what I do, actually. Yeah, I do. It says place cup here to avoid bollocking. You don't like that one then, do you?
Oh, no, I did like it. Yeah, I do like it. I still like it.
It's very squishy. I've either broken it or it's meant to do that.
No, it's meant to.
Well, if this ain't a bit of me. Squishy and a banana. Okay, I love squishy things, don't I? I'm a very, like, tactile person. You know, when I like squeeze things that are soft, and I've never had a squeezy thing like this. And it's in the shape of a banana, and I love bananas. Oh, it's feels a little bit rude. That is just satisfaction.
Well, I thought about it, and you got me a squeezy bum,
didn't
didn't
I?
you?
Do you still have that?
Yeah.
I got Alex a squeezy bum in one of these videos a couple of years ago. Now I've got a squeezy banana.
That's actually incredibly satisfying.
It is so nice. That's better than the bum. That is so nice to squeeze. I bet you're watching that right now like, oh, I want to squeeze that. This one's not rude, but again, you'll just open it and you'll just be like, yeah.
That's me.
That's me.
Didn't see that coming.
Okay, well, I feel like you need one of these. That was my reasoning.
Yeah, it's a Poo Timer.
Poo Timer, 5-minute limit. Okay, does anyone else's boyfriend or just any males in their house, do they take a really long time to do a poo? Because I tell you, Alex will say he's off for a poo.
And then, it's dinner time.
And then he comes back like 3 hours later, I swear. No, but honestly, you spend a long time when you're doing a poo. So I thought this would be really helpful because it's a poo timer and it means you can only do it for 5 minutes and it's like, poo time to wipe, done. It's a strange place to want to spend your time.
You know how people keep magazines, like National Geographic, in the toilet? I've been to at least one house where that's the case.
I'm trying to make a joke and it won't come out. I was going to say it'll be a little bit wet.
Not in the toilet.
Did you see how hard I was trying to say that? I was like, blah, 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 blah.
I've got to be honest, it wasn't worth the wait. Thank you very much.
You've now got a poo timer.
I do.
5-minute limit. Can't go over it. Otherwise, you don't want to know what happens.
I'm just going to turn it over and start another 5 minutes.
Oh, no.
This, because it's just you. I think actually you will really like that. As a genuine real present. No,
it's soft, so it feels like clothes. Just opened it.
You've opened it perfectly.
I know exactly what this is. I really wanted this. Wait, they only have it in a bundle, I thought. I didn't even know he did it individual now. It's a t-shirt with Brendan Urie's face on it. I really wanted this. Okay, I saw it a while ago, but they only had it in like a bundle with a load of other things that I didn't really want. But apparently they now have it individually, and I didn't even know that. Otherwise, I would have bought it myself. It's just like a little white t-shirt. It's Panic at the Disco merch. If you know me, you'll know that I just love Panic at the Disco. I love Brendan Urie. Like, oh, I love him. And this is a t-shirt with his face stitched on it. Some people would be like, why would you want that? Because I want that. Because I want Brendan on my boob.
What would happen if I gave you a t-shirt with my face stitched on it? Yeah.
I really wanted this.
It'd be a bit weird, wouldn't it? I
actually really wanted this. This makes me well happy. And to go with that really thoughtful gift, here is potentially the most ridiculous one of all of them.
Excellent.
You used to have nightmares about them. But this...
Okay, it's one of two things.
Okay, but this is just like taking it to another level.
Oh, okay, no.
But that's not it. You've opened it on the happy end. So you've opened it on the... I'm a little bit scared. You just put it back like, no. So it's a duck with a dick.
I must point out, the nightmares didn't include
the dick. Or did they?
They did not.
So basically, Alex used to have nightmares where rubber ducks would appear and then people would die. This was years ago. This is when I first met Alex, but I still to this day just never forget it. And if I ever see a rubber duck item, I'm just like, Alex, rubber duck.
Can you turn them into puppets?
Oh yeah. Oh, Alex, don't. You'll give everyone creeps.
Yeah.
It was a creepy
turned
dream.
people into puppets.
It was
and you
horrible.
just run in, find a puppet that looked familiar, and a rubber duck sat next to it.
But you don't have it anymore, do
Not
you?
anymore. Although, you know, who knows? We'll see what happens tonight.
No! So here is the normal duck. And
A
then...
little close to my face for my reference. Yeah, that's not going to be pleasant for him.
Might come off.
Be careful.
Oh no!
Just tore it
Your
off.
dick came off! It didn't completely come off. How'd you get him out? I mean, honestly, who made that?
Maybe it's just a foot. Maybe he's a one-legged duck.
It looks like a little chicken foot, doesn't it? Yeah,
It's a
I
duck with
almost
a
just
foot.
pulled it off. It's like half hanging off. We almost just had a random plastic willy in the room. Don't want that. That was Alex's final gift. Wow. You're welcome.
Duck with a foot. I don't want to suck on the foot.
Just sort of caught my eye, you know, these things on this website, and I
Does
thought,
he squeak if you squeeze him?
why not? No.
No.
What if this does? It's hard. Yeah, I just got you a load of jokey things, and I hope you don't mind, but I thought
No.
it would be funny.
It was. Thank you.
This isn't your main present, so obviously don't think that this is all I've got Alex for Christmas. Although, you should be grateful for anything you get.
Yeah, I am.
Even
Thank you very
ducks.
much for my duck with a foot.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. What?
Such ridiculous things.
But it's just my humour to a T, isn't it?
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was a really deep video.
I hope you guys enjoy this.
It was a bit. Yeah, what should they do? Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you want us to do it again next year. I always say this and it's a bit presumptuous, but give it a thumbs up if you want us to do this again next year. We will keep doing them every year until we stop seeing thumbs.
That's all I see is thumbs. They're everywhere.
This is the last video that I'm going to be uploading before Christmas, so I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys very, very soon. Let's see Moon one more time.
Oh.
Oh, bye!